The story of Sparkle the bubble-sneezing dragon. Once upon a time, in a magical place called Giggleburg, there was a little dragon named Sparkle. Sparkle was different from other dragons because instead of breathing fire, he sneezed out bubbles that were all colors of the rainbow. One sunny day, Sparkle decided to have a bubble party. He invited his friends, like Squiggly the squirrel, Whiskers the bunny, and Giggles the giraffe. As the friends gathered, Sparkle sneezed, and the air filled with magical bubbles. The animals couldn't resist popping them with their paws and noses. But these bubbles were special, each pop made everyone laugh and giggle. From that day on, in Giggleburg, Sparkle the bubble-sneezing dragon and his friends lived happily ever after, surrounded by laughter and the magic of rainbow-colored bubbles.